Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's episode in the enJOY series. There has been happening things throughout the community, and I feel like I need to be true to myself. I feel like every one of us are who we are, and that is totally okay. For me, of course, there is happiness throughout my everyday life, always. And I'm aiming for with this channel to spread joy in so many ways. To have this channel as a happy place, to be able to have a loving community, and to feel that we are here to support each other. The everyday life comes between all these things. Life is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be peaceful. You're supposed to be happy with yourself and be able to be yourself in any way, shape, or form. But there can be hard times. There can be hard times. But for me, I always think about I need to be stress-free. I need to be happy. And this is my happy place. So together with you and throughout the year in this specific series, I would love for the whole earth to be a happy place. There is a passage in the Bible, Psalms 96, verse 11, that says, "Let the heavens rejoice, let the earth be glad." Fill your life with things that makes you in peace. Fill your life with what's good for you. I want the whole earth to be happy. And think about it. I know that I wouldn't be happy or at peace if every one of us were exactly the same. But in that sense, it also means that you and I and everyone else knows that there is no perfect. There is no one here on earth that is perfect. And that is totally okay. You are who you are, and I am who I am. But yet again, I need to be true to myself. And I live by, I can say, not rules, but there are certain things in my life that I feel is important to me. One that is extremely important to me is treat others like you want to be treated. Coming from the 10 Commandments. That is very important to me. And, you know, in my everyday life, I also consult, because that is how I see it. I pray throughout the day, even if it's just for a minute or two. I consult with our Father. To me, and in my everyday life, and how I see it, it doesn't have to be those several minutes or half an hour or, you know, big things. Just to be able to feel that you can communicate is wonderful. And to be able to help your friend or your neighbor or a relative or a loved one of any sort. To be able to fill the earth with happiness. That is wonderful. So my goal for the channel is to have a happy place on YouTube. And this is one part of it. So I am in today's episode going to paint or do a little creation with the words from Psalms 96, verse 11. Let the heavens rejoice, let the earth be glad. Think about it. For you to be able to spread happiness, joy, and love, to be able to do that, as I see it, you need to be at peace with yourself. It doesn't always come easy, but start. Just do this little bit of starting thing. And I know that you will be able to spread love all around you. So we are going to create the next page in our enJOY journal. And I'm going to make this part of the page for me to be able to create like I do is very relaxing, but it's also joyful. And in this particular series, when creating a journal, for me, it's not really Bible journaling. It's not really any, I don't know what to call it. I'm making this journal to be able to spread the word, to let you maybe beginning to seek joy for yourself. And as I told you, it doesn't need to be those important or long-lasting things. Just start and you will immediately find what helps you and what you like, because to me that is also important. You do your journal. I'm just inspiring you to start. That's the beauty of it all. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just having fun. And the best part of it is that you don't really need to have all the fancy things. Really don't. This whole thing with what I'm doing is just symbolic to me. For me, the important things are the words that I'm writing, and isn't that how it should be? Just create to be able to in a way have more than one sense connected to what you do. To just hear the word is one thing, but to hear it and then combine it with creating something makes the brain connect to it in a totally different way. So that is why I'm making it like this. And of course, all these kinds of things means totally different to you and me. And yet again, we as the crafting community, we are here to inspire. That's the beauty of all this. As it says in the Psalms chapter 96, verse 11, let the heavens rejoice, and let the earth be glad. And this is my way of letting the earth be glad. To me, that means a lot. Let the heavens rejoice, let the earth be glad. It's beautiful. It really is a beautiful thing to hear. And most of all, find what's good for you. Find your way. In this case, Mrs. Gigi, I'm only here to inspire you to begin your journey, to see and to help you maybe open up and start looking into what's good for you. So remember, it doesn't have to take the whole day to do a thing like this. To communicate, that is how I see my prayers. And it only takes actually a couple of seconds. That's the beauty of it all. So there is only one thing left for this episode. I'm going to write on the cover of this journal the verse that we have done today. Nine to 6, 11. So remember, if you are creating a journal like this, this will all be covered up with beautiful passages from the Bible. So today's creation, let the heavens rejoice, let the earth be glad. Thank you so much for those of you who have been watching today. I will, as always, be back next week with another episode in this series, enJOY. Have a blessed week, and I'll see you around in other lives and in different chat boxes throughout the lovely community of YouTube. Thank you, everyone. Bye.